I just wanted to quickly show you something exciting that I'm working on. In the process of developing the weather station for the ESPaper, I realized that it's quite time consuming to make some progress. Every time you make a change, you have to compile it, maybe you have some compilation errors. Then you have to transfer it to the ESPaper, you have to put it into the programming mode. Maybe there are some communication problems over the serial line, and then it takes quite some time also to flash the binary, even if you're doing that full speed. So I was looking for a way to get information to the ESPaper display a bit more quick, and I came up with this solution that is in a way quite similar to a web browser. So basically what I did was writing a parser that parses a JSON file which describes what should be displayed on the ESPaper. And that file comes from a server. It can be generated by any tool that you like, Python or PHP or a Java server. It's just a REST interface which returns a JSON object with some commands describing what should be drawn. For instance, here we have the command drawString and then some text, some parameters where it should be drawn, or it should be draw a line, it should change the alignment. Basically all the commands that are in the mini graphics library that you can use for programming the ESPaper. So in order to do a change, all you have to do is change that file on your server and then update the ESPaper module, and you're done. So let's do that quickly. Let's say I want to, for instance, what do we have? Let's say the refresh, or these are the buttons. I don't like the name of this button anymore, so I want to change it into update. So I save it, then I upload it to my server. Now I can even test this by refreshing the JSON object, and okay, we see here now it's up. It's called update, and in my little test script I made a loop. So as soon as I press the flash button, I can load that object again. So I'm showing you now the serial console. I'm pressing now the flash button. It's downloading everything. Now it's drawing and refreshing, and we're good. And I already can see if the changes that I made are as expected. So that's all. I hope to release this as soon as possible. I think it will be a lot more fun to implement new interfaces. By the way, I'm using PHP for generating the JSON script. I think in the future I might come up with some Java-based server, so you have even some kind of editor. But for now, this is a very easy way to go. You fetch the JSON objects from underground or from any other REST interface that you want, and you convert them a bit. You have a lot of static JSON that doesn't need to be updated, and wherever you need, like here, you just insert dates or other dynamic information like the battery information or so, and you're good to go. And I think that that's really exciting because it makes programming the ESPaper module so much easier. So as I said, hope to release this soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.